Operation Theater Module caters to the scheduling of operation theaters, surgery team, patient tracking, consumable management, accounting, and operation theater roster and notes. OT procedure. Patient needed to registered with IPD module, or OPD module, or daycare module, or emergency module. Without registration, you can't follow OT procedure. If patient's operation is scheduled for next day or advance booking, then we can manage or schedule all the operations through OT booking entry. After that we do surgical registration. If patient is ready for operation, then we directly do surgical registration. Then we do pre-operation entry to store information of pre-operation checkup, like temperature, BP, weight, pulse, etc. When patient wheel in for operation, we do wheel in entry to track time of wheel in. After that we do pre-operation anesthesia notes entry to add anesthesia notes. After operation, when patient is wheel out, we do wheel out entry. Then we do post-operative anesthesia notes entry. At last, we do consolidated OT history entry to get all the operation procedures details of patient. OT booking. This form is used to schedule operation time and date of patient in different room. These are OT rooms. Here we have only one operation theater room, so only one room shows here. If you have more rooms, it will show more than one room like this. There is no booking for OT. If any booking, it shows all the booking of room on that date. Select the room for booking. Choose registration type. Note, first patient needed to registered with any of these: IPD registration, OPD registration, daycare registration, emergency registration. Without registration, you can't do OT booking. Suppose patient of IPD came for operation, then we choose option IPD. Search the patient, it shows the patient of IPD, because we choose IPD registration type. Enter the time of operation. Select consultant doctor name. Operation name. Surgery type. Select the priority of operation. Anesthesia type. Operation type. Add anesthetist name who do operation. Add additional staff name if any. Add other consultant. Save it. Now you can see all OT bookings. After that we confirm this booking through surgical registration. Surgical registration. Here we register patient for operation. Click on Add button. There is two ways for surgical registration. 1. Choose module like IPD, OPD, daycare, or emergency, where patient is registered. Suppose you choose IPD. Then you can find all patient which is registered through IPD. Select the patient name. All details of patient is auto-filled. Select operation name. Surgery type. OT doctor name. Select OT room. Operation type. Add anesthetist. Add other consultant. Additional staff. Save it. 2. Click on OT Booking, find the patient which is booked through OT Booking. Select the patient name. All details of patient is auto-filled. Save it. Now this booking is confirmed. You can check confirmation in OT Booking. Now you can print consent form, operation notes, checklist, etc. Pre-operation. This form is used to store information of pre-operation checkup of patient, like temperature, BP, weight, pulse, etc. Click on Add button. Choose patient name. Fill these details, like temperature, BP, weight, pulse, etc. Tick mark on checklist. You can create checklist in Checklist Master. Save it. Wheel in. When patient ready to wheel in for operation room, we do wheel in entry. Click on Add button. Select patient name. Enter wheel in date and time. Enter operation start date and time. Enter wheel in remark. Save it. Pre-operation anesthesia notes. Fill the anesthesia details of a patient. Click on Add button. Select patient name. Anesthesia detail. Enter anesthesia start date and time, end date and time. Add pre-operation anesthesia notes here. Save it. Wheel out. When patient is wheel out from operation room, then we do wheel out entry. Click on Add button. Select patient name. Enter wheel out date and time. Select patient status, like improved, recovered or expired. Enter operation end date and time. Enter OT notes. Save it. Then we do post-operative anesthesia notes entry, to add post-operative anesthesia notes. Click on Add button. Select patient name. Enter post-operative anesthesia notes. Save it. At last we do consolidated OT history entry, to get all the operation procedures details of patient. Click on Add button. Select patient name. All details of patient is auto-filled. If you want to change or edit the detail, you can edit it. Click on Save, to save the details. OT Checklist Master. Here you can create checklist name for OT. Click on Add button. Enter checklist name. save it. Now checklist name is created. Checklist mapping. Here you can map the checklist in voucher. Click on Add button. Select voucher type. Add checklist. And save it. Operation Master. Here you can create new operation name. Click on Add button. Enter operation name. Shot name for operation. Select category for operation. Group name. Rate editable. Select yes to allow to edit rate. Night shift rate. Select yes to apply night shift rate. Discount. Select yes to allow discount on this operation. Consent form regional. Fill content for consent form in regional language. Consent form English. Fill content for consent form in English language. Operation notes. Write operation notes here. When you do surgical registration entry with this operation name, the consent form in operation notes is auto-filled, as you fill an operation master. Checklist. Add number of checklist. Medicine. Add list of medicines. Applicable services. Add applicable services which is applicable at a time of operation. CSSD item. Add CSSD item which is used in operation. Save it. Click on Price List to set price for this operation. Double-click on Rate, enter rate and save it. Report. Here you can generate and print all report related to OT department, like OT booking report, OT cancel report, operation report, operation consent form report, department-wise consultant-wise OT report. For example, if you want to print OT booking report, then click on it. Click on Filter to filter reports. Enter start date and end date. Select fields to filter report. Click on PDF to get report in PDF form. Or you can get report in Word or Excel.